you tell us something about your company and what are you showcasing here at IREE?
Okay. Gimota AG is a Swiss company. It's family owned. We are producing electrical connectors for railway applications. Our connectors can be used in communication systems, in power supply, in any standard kind of electrical processes in the or apparatus in the train.
So how is your company contributing to the future of railways and transportation?
Our company is contributing in the traction, in the locomotive, in the metros, and we hope that we can improve our shares in these fields, and that we can be more and more active in India, because we started just now or 2 years ago a company, a known company, a subsidiary in India itself.